Clyde, are you super happy with the new bed? Do you need to break it in? Yeah? You missed a spot right there, Clyde. There you go. You can break it in. It's going to be... There you go. Clyde, that's not even your bed. That's Akeem's bed. You're so busy. Hey, Clyde. Don't you think that's enough? Clyde, that's not your bed. You okay? Clyde, what's the point here? Wait, you missed a spot right there. I don't think Kim cares. You missed a spot. You're going to do this all night, aren't you? Clyde, are you done? What about over there? What about right there? You not falling for it that time? No? Maybe you need to rub your head a little. Oh, nope. Scratching more. Maybe you rub your head a little. Maybe he's finished. Are you finished? Are you tired? That was a workout.